it. Have you ever told yourself, tomorrow I will finally start learning English, but tomorrow comes, tomorrow goes, and somehow nothing changes? Maybe you open a video for 5 minutes and then close it. Maybe you buy a book but never finish the first page. Or maybe you feel embarrassed speaking because you think your English is not good enough. Let me ask you something honestly. How many opportunities have you already missed because of that fear or delay? Around the world today, millions are learning English because they understand it is a key that opens many doors to knowledge, international jobs, global friendships, and new perspectives. Yet, for many learners, the real challenge is not grammar or vocabulary. The real challenge is discipline. That is why today I want to tell you the story of a young girl named Liza, a learner just like you, who once struggled every day with the same problem. She wanted to learn English, but she could not force herself to stay consistent. Liza lived in a small town where almost nobody spoke English, and when she watched motivational interviews, she felt both inspired and discouraged. Inspired because she saw what was possible, and discouraged because English felt like a huge mountain standing in front of her. Every night she promised herself she would start tomorrow. And every tomorrow she found another excuse. She was tired, she was busy. One evening after another disappointing day, Liza asked herself a powerful question. If I continue like this for the next 5 years, where will I be? That question hit her like lightning. She realized that waiting for motivation was like waiting for the wind to push a boat across the ocean. If she wanted to move forward, she had to start rowing. That night, she made a simple decision. She would force herself to build a habit. But she also understood something important. If learning felt boring, she would eventually quit again. So she looked for a method that felt natural. That method was learning English through stories. Stories are powerful because they turn language into emotion, imagination, and memory. Liza started with very simple English stories, short ones about daily life, friendship, dreams, and challenges. The first week was extremely difficult. The sentences sounded fast, the vocabulary felt unfamiliar, and sometimes she understood almost nothing. But Liza remembered something. Learning a language is like planting seeds. At first you see nothing, but under the ground roots are quietly growing. Every morning she listened for 10 minutes. Every afternoon she repeated sentences aloud. Every night she wrote down 3 new words. It seemed like a very small effort, but small daily actions create powerful momentum over time. Think about exercise. 1 push-up will not make you strong, but doing push-ups every day for a year can transform your body. Week by week, something surprising happened. Words she once heard as noise became sounds. She suddenly understood an entire sentence without subtitles. It was a tiny moment, but it felt like discovering a hidden treasure. That moment gave her confidence to continue. There were days when she felt tired, days when she doubted herself. She asked, "What will happen if I stop now?" Some days she studied for 20 minutes, some days only 5, but she never skipped a day. Those 5 minutes became 30. Imagine pushing a heavy car. At first, it barely moves. But once the car starts rolling, momentum makes it easier to push. After 1 year, she could join online conversations with learners from other countries and express her ideas clearly. Forcing yourself in the beginning is not punishment. It is training your mind to become stronger than your excuses. Imagine watching documentaries without subtitles. Imagine reading experts from around the world. English is a bridge connecting you to knowledge. So start with the same rule Liza used. 1 story a day, every day, no excuses. What matters is consistency. One day you suddenly realize something amazing: you are no longer translating every word in your head. You are thinking directly in English. Liza's journey proves that ordinary people can achieve extraordinary results simply by refusing to quit. And if she could do it, why not you? Right after this video ends, listen to your first English story today. Repeat a few sentences. Write down 3 new words. Join a community of learners who refuse to give up, because the moment you commit, you are expanding the possibilities of your entire future.